Guys, in this video we will see how to fix OneCore Device Association Service Error ID 3503 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. How to fix such type of error code? The first workaround is right click on Start button and choose Run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box and here type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here under available services, look for device association service. Right click on it and choose. If you found it in a stop mode, then first start it. Otherwise, if you found already in a start mode, then restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section and choose manual from the drop down menu. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your device association error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose run. And in run dialog box, type msconfig. Clean boot your system. msconfig and click on OK. It will open, this command will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to services tab and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. Thereafter, from the bottom right corner, choose disable all. Thereafter, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager. Task manager window will now open startup apps, and here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Manually disable it. Look for all the enabled startup app. Simply right click on it and manually disable it. Right click on enabled startup apps and choose disable. Apply this method for all the startup apps enabled in your system, and thereafter close the task manager windows and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your device association error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose device manager. Update your driver, network adapter driver and system devices driver. Expand network adapter driver first and go to your network adapter driver which are currently used. Right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. The second one is go to system devices driver. System devices, expand it and look for any system devices driver having yellow color exclamation mark against it. If you found any yellow color exclamation marks against system devices driver, simply right click on it and choose update driver. For example, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose automatically and check whether your device association error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Update your operating system. From the left sidebar, click on Windows Update and from the right side, click on check for updates. And if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appear on your system. If none of the workaround fixed your issue, scan your system, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt Windows, execute the command dism tool and sfc scannow command. Open execute the command dism tool. These three dism tool execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Dism scan health, dism check health, and dism restore health. Execute all these three commands, dism tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of these three dism tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc scan now. Don't a sfc scan now and press enter. Wait till 100% verification completed. Don't forget sfc scan now, don't afc. And after that, execute some Windows components also as shown on a screen. All these command path will also available in my video's description box. First, execute these four commands one by one to stop these four services, and once completed, execute the following command as shown on a screen one by one. Execute all these command in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time, and after that start all those four services you have earlier stopped them. All these command paths will also available in my video's description box. Copy from there simply. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your device association error definitely be resolved. That's all.